Hey foodies, it's me again, your beautiful, cute, and happy Monday. I sound very excited because this week is going to be very amazing. Why? Because I just said so. It's really that simple. You say and it happens for you, hopefully. So this is one of my pasta recipes from the long list of Asian recipes that I've been posting since last weekend. Hoping to come to an end by this week. And I hope you guys have tried one or two and it turned out nice, hopefully. So, guys, the secret to this recipe is the base. Once the base is tasty, the recipe is done. It's really that simple, honestly, in my opinion. So, guys, I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the caption below for those of you who are willing to try and get back to me and let me know what your thoughts are. But I tell ya, this recipe is 10 out of 10. Yes.